this video, we're going to demonstrate on how to set up the purchasing company preferences. Go to File, Preferences, Company. We'll go down to Purchasing. First, you have the purchase order numbering. You can set or change the purchase order numbering scheme. You have your options here, and it will show you the example of what you had chosen based on these selections. You can also choose what starting number you want. You have an 8-digit maximum, numbers only. Here is another option if you want to reset automatic order numbering sequencing when the order number is manually edited. In the next section, we have the purchase order status. You can edit the name or add additional statuses for use with purchase orders. We go over much more detail in this in the purchase order section. And in the last section, you have the printed purchase order message. You can enter text that you wish to be printed on every purchase order. One example could be deliveries at the rear door only. And this will not show up on your purchase order form. This is just automatically added. And that completes our section on purchasing in the company preferences. Once you have this completed the way that you want, click Save, and that takes us out to the home screen. And this completes our demonstration on how to set up the purchasing company preferences.